Hey, hello. Um, Hello. Good morning, everyone. This will be our first, my first. So this is again for documentation purpose of my trades. So this is not a live trade, I would say. Um, I'll be off trading my own account for about a month, I think, or 2 months, but I'll be still exposed and I'll be doing my charting every day. I'll see what I could be able to develop or improve in this thing that I'm currently doing, which is charting. So for the whole month, I think I'll be charting around 7 coins. So we have right here is Sol. So I have a paper trade right here, and we'll start our charting. So mostly, if you're aware of SMC or ICT, everyone knows if they are aware or they have consumed those contents already. Um, this is common knowledge that um, usually the price is influence or the movement of the price is influenced by liquidity. So on where the liquidity is, that's where the price will go. Um, the problem is in crypto, I don't know in other assets, but I have been exposed much of my trading career in cryptocurrency. So based on my experience in crypto, it is, or as what they say, it is much more volatile. So there are some instances that it will not go directly in the liquidity, but it will go or it will probably build um, some positions first. No? So there will be times that there will be an accumulation. So basically, our first coin is Sol or Solana. So this, I think, is a good consolidation before going upward. That's for a long-term perspective. We are currently testing the high of November 2021, and we are experiencing or we are having right here a multiple support, which is made right here, one, two, three, and four. So there is a around 32% um down move that happened earlier this couple of months ago. And as you can see, we have a um, price supported in this area. So I'll be changing some of my approach in trading, and it will mostly, or I will be taking a trade mostly after a move has happened and not I would not be doing what I have been doing in my past trading career, where I am used to knife catching or uh, taking the swing trade in a lower time frame. That's mostly what I've been doing for the couple of years. So the indicators that I will be using is I have used the EMA 20, 50, and 200. So this is not merely um, the driving force for my decision, but this will serves as a guide for me on whether on what uh, sentiment or whether um, what direction I will be trading. Okay, let's start. Usually this is what I'll be doing. I'll be adjusting the previous day high and the previous day low because the immediate immediate movement of the price usually takes liquidity on the um, high and low of the previous day. So this is week 2 of July, and we are approaching week 3. And this is the fourth day of this week. So as you can see, I have plotted the weekly high and weekly low already. So most probably we we might see a take up liquidity in a weekly high or weekly low. So depending on the price action that will unfold in the um, daily scenario, that's where we will be going to um, base our decision or our market timing. Okay, so I have changed some of my system. Usually, in the past, I trade in the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, but right now um I'll be taking the daily candle as a basis for the direction of my trade, and usually my execution will be the um, 1 hour close, and I might go to 15 minutes just to check for some confluence, just like such as wicks or some rejections. So for the 1 hour, usually there are opportunities in the Asian market. So for example, we have this as the right here, Tuesday. So we have opportunity to enter around 10 a.m. on Tuesday that have given me, if I have entered this trade, around 4.74 to 5%. If you are aggressive, could at least have a 5% on this trade. Then another one is yesterday, Wednesday, 9 a.m. is the opportunity where you could have entered this position, and that will would also give you 4 to 5%. And right now, as you can see right here, we have a take of liquidity in this area. I just have to remove some of these lines. We have take of liquidity in this area. There is still no take of or break of structure to the downside. So we could base our decision on how the 8R, I mean the Asian opening, which is 8 a.m. in the morning here in the Philippines, 8 a.m. Close and the 9 a.m. close on where we'll be going to enter. Uh, so currently we are in a sideways structure, market structure, and there is still an instance that this will um, go down. There's a chance that this will go down, I think. But for me, if the price action or the price breaks through the weekly high and resist on this trend line, we might have a chance to um, have a higher low in this area since there are some key levels in this area. We might be able to have a opportunity to put on a long trade. It's just that in this particular area, which is the 122 to 121, um, we could say that this is an equal low, and most likely some of the liquidity or a lot of liquidity will be provided in this area, such as this. We have Pepe also has that um, kind of price action. So it did not even take this week of May 9, 2024. So I have a position right here. Let's go later on this trade. Let's finish the solve. Okay, that's what I think. I think I'll be deciding my intraday decision or intraday trade based on the 9 a.m. close. But that's where I usually start. I plot the previous day high and previous day low. And we have right here is we have right here the take of liquidity. I don't know if I that's where I'm a bit confused. Sometimes some of the traders in the ICT field or SMC, some of them will say that this is a break of structure. Some of them will say that this is a take of liquidity. So I'm a bit of confused on that concept. So I don't know. Um, by any chance I'll be taking trade based on the closing candle and the um if it's an eligible or it is an area where it is a it is an area where I could have a good risk to reward ratio, or I could minimize at least the risk that I'll be taking in a certain trade. Okay, okay, that's for Sol. So currently I don't see any movement for now. We are on a consolidation, or I could say a sideway kind of market structure, price action. For Pepe, so I'll just have to adjust the previous day low and the previous day high. As you can see, yesterday this is the previous day low where the market have taken liquidity, and since same as all this, we just have a um, we just have a sideway price action. There is no significant movement until we break a certain trend line. Okay, so in the adjustment of PTH and PTL, um, yeah, yesterday I have a position around here actually. So I've taken a paper trade in this candle. So I have waited for the candle close, but my take of liquidity, I mean, my take of profit TP is right here. So at one short, just um, took liquidity in this area and consolidated. Okay, so as you can see, we have an opportunity right here that this would likely go in the upward movement. That's, I think, a probability. Um, in this structure, as you can see, there are some of the um, some of the previous support right here. I think there are chances that there are drop traders in this area. I think in this area right here. So most likely we will be able to have an a movement like that. Possible we go down, or if we have a good momentum, um, or maybe I could say in rare cases that this will go up if there is um, a good or an impulsive move on the upside. So I would say sorry for the bad English right here. Um, I'm trying to practice my vocabulary, my grammar, the way I speak English. That's why I'm trying to speak in the English language, and hopefully I could help not just or I could inspire not just Filipino traders but also traders around the world that have almost same scenario as me. So it's because I think it's hard to become a trader that you are coming from a um, middle class setup or lower middle class or poorer family. It will really affect your decision making that you're always wanted to um, have a profit or gain a lot of money in a short time of period, which is not a good thing when it comes to trading. Okay, especially in crypto, it is very volatile in crypto, and I have experienced all those volatility already. And what I like about the features is that um, I could um, have an opportunity both ways. And the problem with that is it has also a disadvantage because let's say there is a good momentum and we could see that there is a setup for the for a counter trend. Sometimes we there is an urge to take that trade where we disregard that there is a momentum on in that trend and we counter trend and market process wrong and we lose the side where there could be or where we could get um, a higher percentage of profit, the lower risk than trading in the counter trend. So I think from this market structure, we will most likely still have a if it goes in this area, we will most likely have a opportunity to accumulate or enter in this position for a long. But for now, all of these points that I have been charting, I think it will it all falls in the um, sideways market structure for the couple maybe this August. We shall see what will be the case. Um, let's see. For the delays, there's really not something or no opportunity on the long-term trading. So as you can see, for the weekly close, we have a um, strong candle, black or red, if you would like to say, or bearish candle right here. That that will be a much better term for that. We have a strong bearish candle. For the monthly, we also have two bearish candle, which is this is the July not yet closed. I just wanted you to see the perspective for a higher time frame. But yeah, for the today, or I'll be basing my decision based on the 1 hour close. The next how many hours are we already? I don't know. Next is Wave. This meme coin is connected with the um, Solana ecosystem. So I don't know about this actually. It's a bit weird. Um, it gives a feeling that it's like the BTC uh, con consolidation consolidation such as this or this looks like that. So I think it for it to have a bullish structure, this should break this, then consolidate in this area, and there's where that's where we can see some momentum on the upside because this is a really strong resistance, I could say. So I don't know about with. I think there is a bearish momentum in this one, especially as you can see we have a um I think if this is 45 degrees angle to the downside, I don't know. But hopefully I'll be able to become a much better trader on what I'm currently doing. I have committed myself to trading or charting every day, um, not exposing my money for a month or 2 months. I would like to learn more about the price action based on what I see, not just on what I have um, read or what I have what I have what I have shown in some YouTube videos. So here you go. This is something that I don't like when it comes to um, sideway consolidation or sideway price action. Sometimes it goes um, the whole day, or I mean the price move for the whole day. Maybe it only goes inside the previous candle. Then there are days that a candle will move or take liquidity from the previous day high and previous day low, such as this. So right now, as you can see, we are in a sideway market structure again. So this is our low of the day and our previous day, and this is the previous day high. So I would say we have an opportunity right here to put on a um long trade. There's a tick of liquidity in this area. There are still some liquidity to be taken right here. This one, this one. So if the closing of the 9 a.m. is good, 9 to 10 a.m. That's good. Um, we could have an opportunity in this area, which will just give us around 1.70 to 1.50% of the drawdown. And going to stick for a liquidity on the outside, we have an opportunity right here, here, and here. So that's 10 to 17%. Maybe worst case scenario, if the long plays out, you could have take a trade if this goes down right here, or this will be the um place where we could have the opportunity to take a trade. This will be the worst case scenario, 4.61% profit. Then it will still be the same. You will be having a 1% drawdown. Okay, next. Okay. As you can see right here, it still goes on the in that kind of um pattern or opportunity that high is taken and the low or previous day low is taken. It's not just that. In some ways, um, if there is enough player in the certain asset, there is also liquidity that has to be taken in the weekly high and weekly low. So basically, this is the uh, minimum target for the take of liquidity. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour. I actually also use this indicator where not an indicator. So, but that is you can find it right here in the indicator metrics and strategies. Is it just shows where New York, I mean, where are the Asians, I mean, the sessions, like Asian session, New York session, and London session. So sometimes I use this to gain more clarity on what session we are in already. So, okay, right now, you have moved the previous day high and previous day low. For Gala, I don't see much of a opportunity. You can still have a liquidity right here that you can take, and we still have a lot of liquidity that we could take in the upside too. This area, I think there is prop traders or in this area. So basically, it could go like this before we go up. Okay, for BTC, okay, let's adjust the previous day high and previous day low. Okay, so we have a break of structure in this area where Bitcoin, we have some liquidity to be taken in this area. This is a good area to take a liquidity to the previous week high. Okay, so that's what I think, or that's what I think the price is showing. Maybe we could have that kind of price action. Okay, now for ETH. Again, there are a lot of liquidities that can be taken this area. Um, oh, it's odd we haven't plotted the previous day, previous week high and low. So let's plot it. Let's put PWH and PWL. So depending on the 9 a.m. close, that's where we will be taking our trade. So this could go right here to take on the liquidity and go up, or could just support in this area, not taking the PDL and go up. Okay, for our last coin, so this really took both the previous day high and previous day low. So the thing for Notcoin is that it has broken this resistance. So it has a different price action if you are going to um, compare it to other coins. So as you can see, I have plotted that there is still a liquidity that could be taken in this area. We might be able to have a price action that will take this liquidity and go up after that, as long as it will create a support from this um, in this area. I think we're good on this particular play. I wouldn't. It's not always the case that it will never or it will not always test this trend line then go up. Mostly, it will just break out, then consolidate in a flat market pattern, then it will go up. And in some instances, this is also a pattern that I usually see. So there is a break of resistance. Um, there is a strong upside, break of resistance, and we will be just taking liquidity inside that structure. So in this case, I think we could have an opportunity um to long here, or let's see. This might take the previous day high first, then go down, or it will go down um right now in the Asian session. Okay, so I hope if there is someone who is interested in viewing this video, I hope you have understand some things. I'm just not that good yet when it comes to speaking in English. Okay, so I think that's all. Um, I'll be stopping on the in charting the not USDT. And if you have comments on what are the things that I could improve um, on my charting, I am willing to take criticism, and I I'll be improving. And that's the purpose of this channel. I really want to improve as a trader. Someday, I hope that this all makes sense. I hope that I succeed in this career. So I think that's all. We have um, made a lot of. I've taken a lot of your time, or if you're watching this already, but it's a good start. So this is my first day of uh, recording my charting for the Asian Open. Um, you could see, or you could check what will be the um, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. close for the early candle, and you could decide if what will be the direction that you could take in the intraday trade. So mostly, you could exit for the Asian noon, which is 12 a.m. to 2 p.m. At I mean 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. of the in the morning here in the Philippines. So that's all. I hope everyone's well. Thank you.